Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add or remove someone in a group in GroupMe. So make sure you have your GroupMe app and you're going to open it. And here on our GroupMe app, we're going to make sure that we have a group already. If you'd like to create a group, you have the option to create a group. But right here we have a group called Team A and we can tap on it. Now, currently this is a new group and we'll need to add someone. In order to add people, you can see the option right there, add people. However, if you don't have this, not to worry, because at the top you can see two icons. You can see the headphone icon and you can see the members icon. Tap on the members icon. And then right here, you have two options. You can invite by link, where if you click on invite by link, you could copy link, share QR code, all these other social media handles, which you can send an invite in order to add a member to a GroupMe group. That's option number one. And this is important if you're trying to add someone who is not on GroupMe, but you want them to hop on over GroupMe. Alternatively, and mainly at the bottom, you can see add members. Once you tap on add members, as you can see the add button just beside its name. However, do take note that because you're seeing add does not mean they're actually on GroupMe. So let's try to add one contact and you can see that they've been added at the top. However, do take note that just beneath their names, you can see phone contact not on GroupMe. So this means that you'll need to still invite them, and this is why we showed you the first option. However, if you have some other contacts that have phone contact on GroupMe, such as the first two contacts at the top before the letter A, you can simply tap on add and add them, and then in order to conclude, you can tap on done at the top right corner. And then your members would be added. If you have some error messages, you could try adding them again or trying it at a later time. Now, what if you want to remove someone in a group in GroupMe? Once again, at the top right corner, you want to tap on the members icon. And then the members will be displayed here after you've been able to successfully add others. And then what you need to do is to tap on the contact. Once you tap on the contact, you will see the option to remove the contact from the group. It's pretty easy and you can follow the steps as outlined here. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to add or remove someone in a group in GroupMe. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.